Oh, yes! 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 We got it, baby! We got it! We got it! Woo! Woo! We got it! Yes! Listen to that! Listen to that! Oh, baby!
We just got it!
Oh! Again! Again! That's a twofer! That's a twofer, baby! Yes! That's a twofer! Twofer, baby! Oh my goodness! Yes! Yes! Again! That's a three! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Pinorak!
There it is. 3, baby, in 10 minutes.
Oh my God! The winds have really picked up and through here. And there's another one! That's number... You gotta be kidding me! Wow! You can have your $500 million jackpot in Powerball or whatever the heck it was, but I'll take this, baby. 4 lightning strikes, 4 episodes of Thundersnow. I could hear thunder, so we had another one. So we actually had 5 strikes, 5 thunder. I mean, this is just a total change. Literally within an hour. Was that another one? Was that? Oh my good, dude, that's number 6. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, I'm telling you, this is Chicago. Postel, this is Chicago all over again. We're just sitting in the middle of it.